Market downside direction, sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this, automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Now sell call came at 48,028. It's a bank nifty 1 minute chart April 23rd market after 1 o'clock this call generated. Call came at 48,028. That straight white line from red candle. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. So daily, automatically it will generate calls like where to take entry, target and stop loss. It happens robotically because we have converted our strategy into a formula and inputted into it. So according to that formula, whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give the calls in live market. So in live market, you get to know the trend, market movement, and you get to know the idea, suggestions like where to take entry, put the target and stop loss. For this chart will help you for the intraday trading. Right now the call came at 48,028. The first target is 47,907. It's more than 120 point first target. After 10 minutes, during first 10 minutes, we can say market was in low volatile, market trying to break out 48,000 range. But after 10 minutes, it has some good movement. So it break out the first target range very easily. Like this sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for the chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.